I am cooking. He is watching TV. It is playing. Let's learn all about present continuous. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. Welcome back. Present continuous. How to make. Affirmative form. Subject plus to be verbs plus verb ing. 1. I am verb ing. For example, I am studying. 2. She, he, it, is verb ing. For example, she is reading. 3. We, you, they are verb ing. For example, they are dancing. Negative form. Subject plus to be verbs plus not plus verb ing. 1. I am not verb ing. For example, I am not driving. 2. She, he, it is not verb ing. For example, it is not raining. 3. We, you, they are not verb ing. For example, we are not cooking. Question form. To be verbs plus subject plus verb ing. 1. Am, I, verb ing. For example, am I talking loudly? 2. Is, she, he, it, verb ing. For example, is he going out? 3. Are, we, they, you, verb ing. For example, are you listening? When to use. 1. To talk about events that are happening at the current time. Time markers. Now, at the moment, right now. For example, I am listening to music. She is cleaning her room. They are playing soccer at the moment. 2. To talk about temporary actions. For example, they are staying with me. I am living here for a while. She is working here. 3. To list future plans. For example, I am traveling abroad next week. She is going shopping tomorrow. They are having a party tonight. Let's have a look at 2 examples. 1. Postcard. Hello, Sarah. I'm having a great time here in Hawaii with my family. We are staying at my grandma's house. The weather is really nice. Right now, I'm sitting outside a cafe near the beach and drinking a soda. Wish you were here. Love, Rachel. 2. Conversation. Hello, Anna. What are you doing? We are shopping at the mall. And what is Charlie doing? He's shopping with his friends too. What are they buying? They are buying some sports things. Okay, be home by 6:30. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share around with your family and friends and subscribe for more videos.